everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from prep, tools you'll need to do the job, the fitment to get the perfect look, plus helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get in gear and get started. If your door sill plates have seen better days, or you just installed new carpet in your 1965 or 1966 Mustang, you're going to want to install this door sill plate kit. This kit will provide you with everything you need to replace your door sill plates in your classic Mustang, instantly improving the look of the cabin while properly holding down the carpet under the door of your driver and passenger side. Premium door sill plates. These door sill plates are made of thick, polished aluminum with a silver satin finish. These are what we'll be putting on Betty today, and they fit a 1965 and 1966 Mustangs. This kit comes with the door sill plates, a pair of black product of Ford Company decals, and new screws. Polished aluminum door sill plates. These door sill plates are made of polished aluminum and are constructed using original Ford tooling. You can get them individually or in kits. If you buy them individually, you'll need to purchase the mounting hardware separately. Stainless steel door sill plates. These door sills will fit 1965 to 1968 coupe and fastback Mustangs. Stainless steel construction makes these door sills heavy-duty and durable. For this kit, the screws and plates are sold separately. Stainless steel lighted door sill plates. These door sills are stainless steel with unique custom styling lights. They come from Scott Drake, are sold as a pair with a polished finish, brushed GT type stripes, and feature the custom horse logo that glows blue when the doors are opened. These reuse your existing door sill plate screws and will make sure your Mustang will stand out. You'll need to do some wiring for these. Generally, all these installs will be the same with the exception of the lighted door sills. That wraps up this install. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future installs, product spotlights, or event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us on social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.